Super Detox Smoothie. Refreshing and healthy carrot apple ginger juice is not only energizing but easy to prepare as well. This fruit and vegetable juice is rich in multivitamins, beta-carotene, and antioxidants that cleanse the digestive system from toxins as well as helps the body fight against cancer and many other diseases. This recipe uses lemon and salt that balances out the sweet taste of apple, making it more palatable and fun to drink. 6 carrots, 3 apple, 2.5 cm piece of ginger. Mix until well blended. A recipe to lose weight and get healthier. 1. Replace 2x of your meals with certain smoothies, add in 2 healthy snacks and a light meal in between them. 2. Repeat for 21 days. 3. That's it! People who follow this plan lose up to 20 pounds, cleanse their bodies, and improve their energy, digestion, and skin. The best part? It only takes only a few minutes to get started! Check the link in my description to learn more. Thanks for watching.